Are you one of those people who is already planning Hanukkah and just really wants to go back to how things used to be planned pre-COVID? I'm Dasee Berkowitz, and I'm author of this book, Becoming a Soulful Parent, A Path to the Wisdom Within. And while it might seem easier to go back to how things used to be, we would be missing something big if we didn't realize how much we've been transformed by the past couple of years. By all of the experiences that we've had, each of us has learned how to strengthen muscles that are essential spiritual muscles, like listening, empathy, and even humility. Alan Marinis, a great Musar teacher, says this mantra about humility. He says, "No more than my space and no less than my place." Too little humility, he says, or taking up too much space leads to arrogance. Too much humility leads to a sense of smallness. When we live humbly, we are aware that we are both leaders in our family and take up our space, and also we know how to leave space for others. We're not all there is. So as you sit down to plan out your Hanukkah plans this year, let these questions guide you, and sit around with your whole family and ask them, what do I want to grow between us during this holiday? And what's one activity that we can all do together that can help cultivate that growth? What's a new experience that I want to have that will seed new memories for our whole family? So take up your rightful space by keeping a list of these ideas that your family generates and have them guide you as you make your Hanukkah plans this year.